Good morning. I'm Sauraj Gupta from NSS Hillspring International School, and I'm in sixth grade. And here is my presentation about a magazine based on a robotic digital dog. So here is a bit you can read about Saurish magazines. So Saurish magazines is is the magazine company in which who the company that has invented the RoboDog started its sales, um, published it in a magazine, and even opened its own site and all of the other things that are needed to sell a robotic dog. So this company, so Saurish Magazines is not just one of this of Saurish Enterprises. So Saurish Enterprises includes Saurish Labs, Saurish Inventory, Saurish Magazines, and Saurish Bookies. So currently here it is just Saurish Magazines because the topic here is because I have taken the topic of magazines. So here is an introductory part about the robotic dog to see that how you might feel about it. Now, you might feel either of these or you might have your own opinion. But I'm 100% sure that not everyone will want to buy this dog as soon as they see it because they might have a bit of an issue. But if you just read this whole magazine once, you might want to buy the whole thing, buy the dog. So currently, Soresh Inventory had invented this dog. That's because they weren't having a topic that was much there to share about. So they thought Soresh Inventory, invented a dog with the help of Soresh, the mastermind, to create the dog. So they could publish this in a magazine and spread word about it to get better sales and a better name. So few of the qualities, as you can see over here, that how what it can do with its razor nails, how its super smart mind, then you can see all of that. So, and here is a continued version of a few of the how the qualities of the robotic dog. So it can help in these ways, and this is the current way. So it can in the future it can change because of the updates in its head. It can be much better. Maybe it can be more defensive and a better dog, robotic dog. So we recommend you to buy this. So how it can be used? So it can be used to a few reasons, and it can be used as a few reasons. Like it can be used to play with. It can be used as a playmate. It can be used to. It can be used to guard the house. It can be used as something to help clean the environment. So these are all the advantages of having the qualities of having a dog, the robotic dog. So this is how the it is built, and so you can see that because it has all these qualities, it you have good reason to buy this dog. So I would recommend buying this dog is a really good idea because this dog can keep you safe in many ways. It can help you in the ways you cannot imagine. Now, can you imagine a dog doing household chores and a dog alone guarding your entire house? So, this is what a single dog can do. Now, how this dog came into idea? Now, when this dog was created, me, I was no, I have written this as fully imaginary. That's because more or less the year 3001 is 1000 years away. So in this, I am currently an adult who is wanting a dog, but my parents are not allowing me to get one because of the a few reasons. So how? So that's why it motivated me to make a dog that nobody would have a problem with, and so nobody else faces the problems I have faced about getting dogs or other pets. So here are a few comparison images you can see of how a few dogs look. So there's the pug, the German Shepherd, and the Dalmatian. Now you can clearly see that there are a few more dog types, and all of them are not as easy to buy. But I would say that you can buy them because they are worth buying. Each of these dogs can last up to 100 years without, if they aren't really mistreated. If mistreated, they can live up to half their life. So, and if treated really well, sometimes they can last for around 300 years. So this was a magazine written by me, Soresh Gupta. So here's an author's note by me. So you can read all of this and you can buy the dog now. And the first 30,000 buyers will get a 10% discount with a free trial for a month. Thank you. I decided to make on a magazine. That's because I love books and I love reading. So magazines struck me as something really important because reading is a very important part in my life. So I would, and I had, and I always wanted a dog. So I chose to write about a magazine. No, I chose to write about a magazine which was featuring a dog. So this is how I got the topic. I made this presentation on a PowerPoint presentation, and I'm recording this through Screencast-O-Matic. And I found these images on Google, and these images were not easy to find. It took me at least 10 minutes to find each image, and I really liked making this presentation. That's because it gave me a chance to be innovative and expand my imagination to limits which I can't imagine. So I'm really happy making this presentation more than anything else. And I chose specifically to make a dog, not any other random pet. I could have made a robotic hamster, a robotic cat, a robotic owl, but I specifically chose a dog. That's because many people say that dogs are known as man's best friend. So I chose to write about a dog. Thank you.